Hey everybody, I know normally I'm telling you about real estate or how to cook barbecue in Texas, but today I want to share with you one of my new favorite places to visit. This is the second time my wife now and I have come to Live Aqua Resort in Cancun. This is it's right behind me here, Live Aqua, remember that name. It's all-inclusive resort, adults only, gotta be 18 or older to stay here, right on the ocean here, if you can see the ocean behind me. Just gorgeous. It's all inclusive, all your food and all your drinks included. 7 swimming pools. There's 2 bars inside and probably 3 or 4 bars around the pool areas, including a swim up bar, which the first time I came here was the first time I experienced that. Pretty darn awesome. But awesome resort. I'm going to tell you more about it. I'm going to have a lot of pictures of some of the food and the facilities in here. But you need to know about this resort. I want to be your access for both real estate, barbecue, and places you should visit. We'll talk to you soon. Hey everybody, I want to give you a tour of what they call the oceanfront room. This hotel starts with garden view, then ocean view, and this is oceanfront. We're very much in the middle of the resort, and I just want to show you a few of the features and how the room looks. First, if you go right here into the bathroom area, I think it's pretty awesome. The shower has, if you look up here near the ceiling, you've got the rainfall sink, so everything's comes straight down on you. They make a big deal about these molten brown products they have here for shampoo, body wash, whatever. You got the double sinks for people, the illuminated mirror. But the room size is very spacious. You do have a coffee maker, espresso maker if you want it. You have a room safe and a mini fridge that's stocked with sodas, beer, it's all included. And then huge TV, but one of my favorite features, when you wake up in the morning and you're laying in bed, you reach over, you hit this button, let there be light. You've got a beautiful view of the ocean here in the center. It's just a fantastic room. I suggest you try it here at Live Aqua, and I'll talk to you soon. This little restaurant right behind me is called Sea Corner here. It's at the far left side of the resort when you're looking at the beach. Fantastic seafood. Seafood tacos, seafood on toast, they call it. 2 days in a row, their seafood soup is incredible. I know this place gets all the love for the habanero soup, but the seafood soup here has shrimp, mussels, fish in it. It's kind of spicy, really good, but great atmosphere. Just look at this beach view you got here. This is a place you got to try. This room you see behind me is one of our favorite places at Live Aqua. It's called the Aqua Club. If you get a suite here, it's included. If you're getting a garden view, oceanfront room, it's an upgrade, optional upgrade. Costs about $50 a night. It's a private little area here with a tremendous view of the ocean. It's probably one of the best views here. But in the morning, they have like little breakfast bites out here, little pastries, little containers of eggs, pancakes, etc. They make wonderful coffee, espresso, cappuccinos here. But in the evening, it's when you really get the advantage of having access to this club. They have the premium liquors, some of the liquors that you can't find at the regular bars downstairs. So you got the premium liquors, better grades of scotch, whiskey, tequila, but just a very great place to relax. And in the evening they have, in the morning they have breakfast type stuff, in the evening they have dinner type snacks up here. But you can really enjoy yourself up here. If you don't come to Live Aqua, I suggest you make sure that you get the Aqua Club access because we've really enjoyed it. Hey everybody. Kind of bittersweet. I'm back home in Texas here. Had to leave Live Aqua eventually. But I just want to give a shout out to some of the staff there and remind you why you want to go to Live Aqua. Friends of ours that we actually went on this trip with have been to 4 or 5 other resorts in Cancun. They told us Live Aqua has the best customer service. There is no doubt about it. I haven't seen customer service like that except for maybe at Disneyland or Disney World. But a few of the people to call out, Fernando downstairs at the breakfast buffet every day. Fernando took fantastic care of us up in the Aqua Club. Guillermo makes fantastic drinks. He knows his tequila. He knows his drinks. He'll take care of you. Sophie from PR, the director of PR, tracked us down several times just to ask us how we were doing. Montserrat, I think is her real name, Monsi from client relations, tracked us down a few times just to say hi, just to you know, let us know she hoped our stay was good. She helped make sure there was a fan in my room because I need the white noise when I got to my room. Just fantastic staff. They will bend over backwards for you. If you're going on vacation in Cancun area, Live Aqua is where you want to be. If you have any questions, reach out to me. All my contact info is in the description of this video. And like I said, it was a little bittersweet to come home, but hey, I got two 17-year-old boys at home that you know, were kind of missing their dad, I hope. I had a dog that was definitely missing me. And as an active realtor in northern Dallas area, I had clients that need to buy and sell a home this year. At least I hope they do, so I can afford another trip back to Live Aqua next year. But either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you know more about Live Aqua now, and I'll talk to you soon.